The On Your Lot program provides all the benefits of building with Keystone Custom Homes, including our award-winning floor plans and industry-leading 20-year structural warranty, while offering maximum flexibility and customization on a site of your choosing within our operational area. Whether you're looking for added privacy, more acreage, no homeowners association restrictions, extensive in-law quarters, also known as accessory dwelling units, or a specific location, our dedicated team will guide you through our best-in-class process to achieve your dream home. We can help you find a potential home site if you don't already own your own lot. And once your site has been identified, we'll conduct a feasibility study that will result in an all-inclusive turnkey base price that's guaranteed up front. This alleviates the concerns you might have with hidden costs throughout the process and gives you confidence in your investment. Once we begin, you'll gain access to the homeowner-exclusive MyKCH app, where you'll see a real-time schedule, have the ability to message directly with our team, and see photos of your home as it's being constructed. The timeline for building on your lot is going to vary depending on the location, the local government permitting process, the weather, and the speed at which you complete your structural and final design meetings and associated paperwork. If you're interested in learning more about the On Your Lot program and if it might be a good fit for you, contact our online advisor team to schedule an appointment.